Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. So guys, one of my viewers has asked me that how to use can have. First of all, let me tell you guys, I have not seen, can have being used with verb third. You can use can have without verb third. Like you can say that, okay, you can have, you can have, you can have a nice time, you know, you can have a cup of coffee. In that way, you can use can have, like you can have a cup of coffee. Here, if you talk about have is working as a main verb, like have is working at place of take. You can take a cup of coffee. Similarly, you can have a cup of coffee. But the question which was asked by the viewer was not this. He wanted to know about can have plus V3. So in positive sentence it is not used. I have not seen used. Maybe rarely it is used, because instead of this you can use might have plus V3. You can use must have plus V3, but you can use can't have plus V3. So I am going to teach you can't have plus V3, like can't have plus V3. It can be used, and when it is used, where it is used, I'm going to tell you guys. So just focus guys. Let's take an example. If I say that that girl must have gone to market. I am just saying this sentence, that girl must have gone to market. It means what? Do I know that the girl has gone to market? No, I don't know. But I am guessing. It's my guess. Maybe it's, I'm 100% sure, though I don't know whether the girl has gone to market or not. Yet I have a guessing that I think that girl must have gone to market. If I am saying must have gone to market, it means my gut feeling is almost 99 to 100% that I am feeling. But in reality, I don't know whether she has gone or not. So when you say that girl must have gone to market, if you have to negate it, if you have to say that no, मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो लड़की मार्केट गई होगी, then what will you say? Either you can say the girl must not have gone to market, or you have an option that you can say that girl say can't have gone to market. That girl can't have gone to market. So you can say that can't have is a kind of opposite of must have. In must have, your gut feeling is saying that definitely the girl must have gone to market, though you don't know, yet you are feeling that. This is your what should I say, this is your feeling, this is your gut feeling, you are thinking, you are making a guess. Similarly, if your gut feeling is saying that the girl has not gone to market, then you can say that girl can't have gone to market. And you can give one reason that girl can't have gone to market because, just a minute, because her scooty is still parked there, still parked there, you know. It means that whenever that girl goes to market, she always goes by her scooty. And now, since the scooty is outside parked, so you think that girl has not gone to market. So if somebody is saying the girl has gone to market, you can say no, the girl can't have gone to market. So can't have gone to market means you are just going to say no, it's absolutely wrong. वो जा ही नहीं सकती है यार, वो जा ही नहीं सकती है. If I talk about the Hindi, so if I say that have gone means it always shows when the work is done, and when you say can't, it means वो जा चुकी है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. You understand? The girl can't have gone. वो उसका जो have gone है, वो जो जा चुकी है, वो हो ही नहीं सकता है. When you have to say that no, it is just next to impossible, then you have to say can't. Can't means absolutely not, बिल्कुल possible नहीं है. Then you have to say can't. That's why in this situation can't have is used. Let's take one more example guys, I hope you will understand. If I say that that boy has given me some money. If I am saying that boy has given me some money, उस लड़के ने मुझे कुछ पैसे दिए. Then another person is saying that boy can't have given you money because he doesn't have even 10 rupees in his pocket. So I am claiming that boy has given me some money, but another person is saying no, whatever you are claiming is absolutely wrong. That boy can't have given you money, or that boy can't have given money to any person because he doesn't have even 10 rupees in his pocket. So how can you claim that the boy has given you money? Are you getting what I'm saying? It means when somebody is saying something that this work has been done, blah blah has gone to market, he has slapped me, I saw that person in the market. If something is already done and somebody is trying to say this, somebody is claiming to have done this, have seen somebody, then you have to just simply say no, it is impossible, it cannot be done. Then you have to say can't have plus V3. You got it? Let's take one more example. If I say that I saw my neighbor in the market. मैं कह रहा हूँ पता है मैंने अपने पड़ोसन या पड़ोसी को मैंने मार्केट में देखा. So the person whom I am saying this is saying that you can't have seen your neighbor in the market because when you went to market, when you went to market, she was here. You got it? I am claiming that I saw my neighbor in the market. I saw. The person is saying no, you can't have seen your neighbor in the market because when you were in the market, when you went to market, your neighbor was here just in this apartment, this building. So how can you claim that you have seen your neighbor in the market? Since your neighbor has not gone to market, so how can you say that you have seen her in the market or you have seen him in the market? So you got my point. So can't have you can use when you have to simply negate, you have to deny the fact that somebody has done something because you have a particular reason with you. If you are claiming that you have seen but your neighbor has not gone to market, so whom did you see? It means whatever the statement you are stating is absolutely wrong. So in order to prove something wrong, you have to use can't have. Okay? Suppose I saw, or you can say that I lost my pen drive at my friend's house. If I say like that, I lost my pen drive, मैंने अपना पेन ड्राइव खो दिया at my friend's house, अपने दोस्त के घर पर. तो बंदा कह रहा है, कोई जो सुन रहा है मुझे, that you can't have lost it at your friend's house because when you were at your friend's house, that time your pen drive was at your home and your brother was using it. Now see, so if you claim something, the person is just going to say that no, this is absolutely impossible, it cannot happen. I lost my pen drive at my friend's house, मैंने अपना पेन ड्राइव खो दिया अपने दोस्त के घर पे. दूसरा व्यक्ति कह रहा है ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि तूने खो दिया है. You can't have lost your pen drive at your friend's home because when you were at your friend's home, that time your pen drive was at your home and your brother was using it. So it proves that you have not lost your pen drive at your friend's home. You understood what I mean? So this is all about can't have. If somebody is saying I have seen that boy with a girl, you can say no, you can't have seen that boy with a girl, because the time which you are referring to have seen that boy, at that time that boy was at home, you know. So this is can't have. So I hope you must have understood. और कैन हैव को पॉजिटिव में यूज़ मैंने नहीं देखा है, मोस्टली हम लोग मे हैव, माइट हैव, यू नो, कुड हैव, शुड हैव, मस्ट हैव, यही सब यूज़ ज़्यादा करते हैं दोस्तों. So this is all about this video. Thank you guys, thank you very much. So see you in another episode. Thank you guys, stay connected.